Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can back up your phone's data to Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up to go down, and in here, tap on accounts and backup. Next, in here you want to go to the Samsung Cloud section and tap on backup data. So tap on backup data, and in here, go down and choose what you want to backup. So in here you can backup call logs, messages, contacts, calendar, clock, settings, home screen, apps, and voice recordings. And then once you are ready, tap on the backup now. And the following selected data will be backup. So give it a few seconds for the phone to perform the backups. Now, depending on how much data is on your phone, it might take a while to back them up. And that's it. You can also check the progress of the backup from the status bar in here. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. And that is how you can back up your phone data on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Once the backup is completed, it will notify you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.